POV, 1945. The final phase of a war that has already destroyed everything you once knew. You sit deep inside a cold, flooded trench. Mud sticks to your uniform, your hands, your weapons, everything. The air is heavy, thick with smoke that never seems to disappear, even when no explosions are happening. Above you, the sky is gray and endless, like it has forgotten what sunlight feels like. No one talks. Not because there is nothing to say, but because everything that needed to be said was already lost long ago. And in your mind, only one thought keeps repeating. If this is the end, did we survive long enough for it to mean something? You slowly raise your head and look across the battlefield. What you see doesn't feel real anymore. Burned out tanks lie scattered like broken metal giants that once roared with power. Trees are stripped bare, standing like lifeless shadows of what they used to be. The ground itself looks wounded. Craters, fire marks, and endless destruction stretching beyond sight. Far away, artillery still echoes like thunder trapped in a nightmare that never ends. A soldier beside you whispers without turning his head, "I used to think wars had endings. Now I think they just change shape." Your unit is no longer what it used to be. The names, the faces, the voices you once knew are missing piece by piece. Those who remain don't behave like before. Laughter is gone. Conversations are gone. Even anger feels too tired to exist. Now, everyone just exists in silence, cleaning rifles, checking gear, or staring at nothing in particular. It feels like war didn't just take lives. It took the parts that made those lives human. You reach into your pocket and pull out a folded letter from home. It's old now. Edges softened, ink slightly faded, but the meaning inside is still sharp enough to break you. You've read it so many times that you don't need to open it to remember the words. Still, you open it anyway. A voice echoes in your memory as if it's being read again right beside you. We're still waiting for you. The house feels empty without you. Please come back. Your grip tightens slightly, but your face stays still because here, emotion is something you hide, not show. A sudden shift happens. The battlefield goes completely silent. No gunfire, no explosions, no movement in the distance, just wind passing through broken land and shattered steel. But this silence is not peaceful. It feels unnatural. Like the world itself is holding its breath before something terrible happens. A nearby soldier quietly says, "Every time it gets this quiet, something always follows." The radio in your command post suddenly crackles to life, breaking the silence instantly. Static fills the air, sharp and uncomfortable. Every soldier nearby stops what they are doing and listens. Then the message comes through, clear and final. All Allied units, prepare for final operation. 600 hours. No retreat authorization. Repeat. No retreat. The words don't need explanation. Everyone understands what they mean. This is not another mission. This is the last one. You slowly check your rifle again, even though you already checked it minutes ago. Your hands move automatically, loading, adjusting, tightening, like your body is preparing for something your mind doesn't want to accept yet. Every sound feels louder now. The click of metal, the rustle of gear, even your own breathing. A thought enters your mind, unwanted but clear. This weapon might be the last thing I hold in my life. A young soldier, barely old enough to understand what war has really taken from him, walks closer to you. His hands are shaking, but he tries to hide it. He speaks quietly. "Sir, do you think any of us are going to make it back home?" You look at him for a moment. You see fear, but also hope that hasn't fully died yet. After a pause, you answer, "I don't know if we all go back, but I know why we have to try." If you want second part, please comment me and subscribe beyond Human POV.